How to clear system storage on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to your storage and you'll find all these options: photos, videos, music. Specific one, you can simply click on it and clear whichever you don't want. Or what you can do is open settings. In settings, click on apps and notifications. Then click on see all apps and scroll through the apps and click on the app you don't use. After that, you can simply click on storage and cache, cache and clear storage. After you have done that, if you have app that can't be uninstalled, what you can do is click on disable at the top. After that, you're good to go. Another way is go to system and system updates. In here, you can simply update your device. Sometimes updating your device may clear some storage. And this is how to clear system storage on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.